Hey friend, Graham Cochran here, seven-figure business owner and fanatical user of the online business platform Kajabi. In this video series, I'm gonna walk you through over 31 days how to do everything you need to do inside of Kajabi, from launching products to sending marketing emails to creating webinars to scaling and automating your online business so you make more while working less. It's all here. Now, if you don't already have Kajabi, you're in luck. I want to get you access to a 14-day free trial using my link, grahamcochran.com/Kajabi. But not just the free trial, because you can get that anywhere. I want to give you 2 free mini courses just by signing up with my link. One you'll get the moment you join, called Ready, Set, Kajabi, which walks you through hand in hand how to launch your business with Kajabi, including some of my best ninja marketing tactics that I use on the regular. You get that the moment you sign up with my link. And then if you become a paying member of Kajabi after the trial, I'm gonna send you a free sales copy formula mini course, my 3-step sales copy formula to help you sell more products to more people effortlessly. It's all for free if you just sign up for Kajabi using my link at grahamcochran.com/Kajabi, or I'll link to it below. Today, I'm gonna give you an introduction to offers and to selling products with Kajabi. Hope you're ready to dive in. I'm Graham Cochran, and this is 31 Days with Kajabi. You can make as many products as you need or as you want, but then the real power is in something called offers. And this is one thing that I love about Kajabi, are the different ways you can put things together. So what you could do is have, for example, you could have an offer for each product, but I also have an offer for a bundle, okay? This is my Radio Ready system. This is a bundle that I sell, and it has multiple products included. So this is an offer that you give the offer the name, so you could call it like your Christmas bundle or your all access bundle. Let's say you wanted to bundle a bunch of products together. So mine's got a name, but the offer is just a price and a name. And then it says, well, what products do they get if they buy that offer? Well, they're gonna get Mixing University, they're gonna get Rethink Your Room, Total Home Recording, the Jumpstart series. They're gonna get all these products when they buy this offer. You can change the price of the offer, and it's all gonna deliver these products when they buy the offer. Not only that, every offer you create in Kajabi gives you a chance for a one-click upsell. What is this? They've already entered their credit card information to say they want to buy your thing. The moment they click buy, it takes them to a page, if you have this set up, that says, hey, here's a video. Wait a second. Thanks for joining. Real quick, I want to offer you something else. In this case, I've got a free month of one of my memberships, Recording Revolution VIP, which is normally $60 a year. So it's, hey, thanks for buying the Radio Ready system. Would you like to get a free month of my VIP community and join thousands of other people like you and get, encouragement, get feedback, network, and get all these mini courses? You can one-click add it to your cart, or no thanks. And they have a chance to say yes, and they'll be charged, or in this case, they get a free trial and then they'll be charged, or they can say no. They do not have to enter their credit card information anymore. They do not have to type anything. They just click yes or no, and you can upsell to any other course, into a membership, into private coaching, into whatever you want to do. One-click upsell is incredible. You also get a lot of, features after they purchase. What do you want to do? Do you want to send them an email? You can send them a default email. You can send them a custom email like, hey, you just joined my Radio Ready system. I'm so pumped for you. Here's what I want you to do next. You can have them connect to your third-party email provider. I'm using ConvertKit, so it says, hey, when somebody buys this offer, I want you to add them to my email list under this specific category so I know that they bought this, okay? And I can always email them later. And then I want you to send them to a thank you page. Remember those pages I showed you a second ago that you can make inside of Kajabi for free? Well, I made one called the Radio Ready System thank you page, and I want them to be sent to that immediately after they purchase. It has a video for me that welcomes them and tells them what to expect and how to use the Radio Ready system. It's pretty cool. So you can control all of that in offers. So if you think about, you could have 3 products, let's say, but unlimited offers, because you have offers for different price points. You could have the same product, but it's a payment plan offer, right? You could have a bundling of products. You could have a different price. You could have a product that also comes with coaching. You could have whatever you want. So this is where you can mix and match and try different things based off of what is the best way to sell your product. So it's not just your basic one offer for your product. Again, it could be your product at different price points with different tiers and they get different things. This is one of the powerful things about Kajabi is you can get really creative with your offers for your products, okay? So that's products and offers. That's probably where you're gonna spend most of your time. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget, if you want to jump on the free trial of Kajabi and get up to 2 amazing free bonus courses from yours truly, just go to grahamcochran.com/Kajabi and sign up today. That's it for today's video. I hope to see you tomorrow as we dive deeper into Kajabi and help take your business to the next level.